there everybody, inuskypie here. Something a little tiny bit different. Well, as you guys can see here from the screen, this is actually the very first Ratchet and Clank. You might be wondering, why the heck am I playing Ratchet and Clank? Well, besides the fact that I'm now a big fan of it, but I wanted to record this because I'm about to do something really amazing. If I bring up my thing here that tells you how many bolts I have here, you'll see I have a whopping 149,723 bolts. Yes, I am about to get 150,000 bolts just so that I can get the RYNO. I have been grinding for about 2 days so far, so about 24 hours. It has been, it's been kind of a hell. I've had to do every single planet at least 3 times, not counting the original time. But yeah, it's quite a labor of love if you want to get all the stuff. Especially if you want to get the RYNO, like I said. My number is going up slowly here. I'm pretty good at this game by now. Good. And well, I just wanted to record my receiving and gaining my last set of bolts before, oh people, I'm really close to getting it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Oh my god, I can't believe how far I am here. Okay. My brother was the one that got me really into Ratchet and Clank. He's like a veteran. He's been with it since the very beginning, since it was first out. This one, though, he has never played. So I will be the first in the family to have actually, like, I've gotten every single gold bolt, just like he has in the other games and stuff, but he's never gotten this RYNO. He's never gotten all the gold bolts in this one, because he started playing this one at his friend's house, and he said it just wasn't his cup of tea. He didn't like how the camera angles were and stuff. Oh my god, we're actually over 150,000. Holy shit. Alright. That's kind of shocking. I totally didn't realize it. Okay. So yeah, it's official. We're getting the RYNO. We are getting the RYNO, people. Oh my god. This is so badass. Oh my god, I'm so pumped. I can't wait to see what this RYNO's gonna do, because I've seen the way it is in the movie, and also my brother has the PS4 games. Well, so do I, but I haven't played it yet because I'm saving up currently for a PS4. But yeah, the one in the movie, it spins around, it plays music and stuff. So upon jumping onto this taxi, we are about to head on to get the RYNO. There will be a cutscene, though, when we get the RYNO, so I'm going to turn up the volume for it. Get ourselves a few extra bolts here. Never hurts to have a few extras. Kill these asses. Oh boy, this is going to be exciting. Oh my god. Alright. I am so pumped for this. Well, we better deal with these asses first here, at least. Alright, let's see this guy here. Come on. Good boy. You died. Alright, are we ready? We got here the original Slim Cognito. Right here. Alright. Let's get ourselves a RYNO.
This try carrying it around in your trench coat for 2 months.
Thank you, sir. We'll be sure to tell everyone about your services.
Listen, you little twerp. If you tell anyone what you saw or what we talked about,
Do I even have to say it?
you
Oh,
two have
yeah.
a nice day.
Yeah! Holy shit, look what I have. How is he even holding that thing? Oh my god. Wow. Damn, Ratch. Well, I don't think we're gonna have any problems dealing with Drek now. That asshat. Can I get back in my oh, I can. Sweet. Look at that thing. Look at it. It's freaking huge. He's like, I got a giant ass gun. Wow, Ratch. Look at you. Wow. This was the original RYNO, people. The original, rip you a new one. I'm too cool for that shit. I'm flying. Screw elevators! Can I have that? No, I guess I'm full health. Sweet! Alright! Well, I guess that's it for this video. Holy shit, we have the RYNO. I just wanted to document this because it took a freaking long ass time to get enough money for this damn RYNO. But we have it now. And Ratchet's obviously very happy about it. Look at him. He's so happy. He's like, I have a giant gun. He's like, well, I guess you really wanted to get in that ship. Okay. Okay, I guess with that, I'll be ending this video.